Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Alright y'all boys, man, we'll go back to the channel. Say we're finna get a little POV and rainy day in the Scat Pack type vibes. As y'all can see, this the updated car for real. This shit look beautiful as fuck. Think about getting side skirts and RGB headlights. And after that, I don't really know, maybe wide body kit or something. Then we got a BMW Stage 2 540 on E. This motherfucker get up there and it's all-wheel drive, so he gonna be straight in the rain. Me, I ain't doing nothing too crazy. Also got the 360 cam hooked up. But without further ado, we're gonna get started.
I'm on the sprint, I put out a rack. I died, live the kid out of rack.
I mean, damn, we can't even get an ounce of traction. What the fuck? My shit just spinning. What the Oh shit! I ain't gonna let my heart drop. I'm not doing that again. No cap, my heart drop. I'm not doing that again. I'm not one of them niggas you see on IG where they be slipping and sliding through this bitch. Hell no. They can bend this whole shit sideways. I'm not one of them niggas, bro. Not today. Bro, you tell a nigga you following them and they start doing shit like this. Like, nigga, slow your punk ass down, nigga. Them downshifts mean as a bitch. I ain't gonna lie, I start yapping like a dumbass, just ignore it, please. Like, bro, I can't get traction to save my life. Hold on. No cap. We gonna try sport, bro. I can't even hit the gas at all. I ain't doing all that shit right there. I ain't doing all that punk ass shit that go viral. Yeah, I can't do that mashing the gas shit in the rain, boy. That motherfucker will flip. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go in custom. We're gonna turn this bitch transmission track, traction street, steering track. This nigga Nas wildin'. I never got PTSD on the same highway. I was in full track mode with track traction and all. I gassed that bitch, man. This whole motherfucker started looking left. Hell nah, I ain't going through that shit again. But you know your boy caught that bitch. That's all I can get y'all niggas, man. Not finna throw my life or this car away. Hell no. not finna get that nigga a race with this motherfucking ground like this, boy. Trust, I would've walked his ass though. Y'all believe that? All I can give y'all niggas some crisp ass downshifts. Oh shit. Staying lucky it ain't dry ground too. Would have been up there walking his ass right now. That's all I can give y'all niggas, man, these little baby pools. Not finna flip this bitch. Why this bike ain't moving? I knew this nigga was gonna make a move, bro. That's why I ain't in. Now I know where the fuck we gonna have to go. Too many close calls with these niggas, bro. I'm trying to follow this nigga, bro. I don't even know where the hell we going. The ground's still just a little bit wet, so I can't fully, you know what I'm saying, hit that bitch. I need these folk to move out of Charlotte, bro. It don't be nothing but traffic. Oh shit, fire truck. Gotta let that big ass nigga go. Bro, these niggas not paying attention, bro. What the fuck? God damn, boy. My dog, be for real, bro. This much traffic don't make no sense. Roll my damn window up. I still can't fully hit the gas though, cause this bitch will spin the fuck out. Oh shit. I don't know if that's too much wind. I can't really tell while I'm recording, obviously. Oh shit, what is this? This is a flat? Yo, that nigga gone. What the fuck? Yeah, he lucky my ass gotta get off. I would've spanked his ass, boy. He got his hand out the window and shit. He talking about some no. He got his hand out doing this shit. Fuck you, nigga.